guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am in my kitchen, sitting on the floor in my kitchen, and it's a mess in here, so I'm all zoomed in so you can't see the mess, but I had something I wanted to show you. So at my local Kroger, they were having a sale on some pots and pans that I have been eyeing for a while, and they are by Green Life, and I'll show you those now. So this was a smaller set. I've already taken one out. I'll show it to you in a minute, but this is the Green Life Your Healthy Choice frying pan set by Chef's Essentials Dishwasher Safe Reinforced Body High Performance Ceramic Non-Stick Soft Touch Stay Cool Handle. And this is the Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick. There are no PFAS, PFOA, cadmium, or lead. So the reason why I bought these, or I've been wanting to get these, is because if you know anything about the non-stick frying pans, they have a Teflon coating and they are extremely toxic. And if they start to get scratched and start to flake off, that is going to come off in your food, and it is so bad for you, like cancer causing, could poison you. If you eat too much of it, you will die. Like, no joke, it's serious stuff. So if you didn't know that, which I was not aware of how serious it was until I noticed that mine were getting really scratched, and I saw some articles about it, and I was just like, oh my gosh, these are so bad. And then I saw these at my local Kroger, and I was like, I'd really like to switch out my pots and pans, but at the same time, I hate to throw away pots and pans. But if they're poisoning me and my family, like, they're not worth it. I'm sorry. So I am switching over to all Green Life pots and pans, and I'll only be keeping my stainless steel and my cast iron. So I do have some cast iron, and I'm going to do some videos about those as well, but that'll be in a separate video. This is mostly just unboxing my new Green Life set. So let me show you my non-stick pan so you can see what I'm talking about. So the first pan I'm going to show you is by Wherever, and I have had this pan for going on 8 years. So let me just say, I did not know until recently that you cannot use metal utensils on non-stick pans. I'm late to the game, I know, like, duh, but I really just didn't think about it. I didn't realize that it flaking off was so harmful and dangerous, which I should have been like, duh, but yeah, I didn't realize how bad it was. But this is about an 8-year-old pan, and you can see it is so scratched, and there is a lot of that Teflon missing. That's terrible. So this is my worst one, I believe. And then this is the second worst one that I had. This is a pot. This is one of the Paula Deen sets. This is says it is porcelain non-stick, but it does have this Teflon coating. So I don't know, it is missing a lot of that coating, so that is really scary to me. I don't know. But these two are going for sure. The rest of my set is actually in decent condition. Some of them are a little scratched, but I'm just gonna get rid of all of it and just be done with it. So this first set, which this is a pretty blue set that I found at Kroger, and they come in like 3 different colors, I believe. And this one came with small frying pan, super cute, and the handle is really, really soft. And then it also came with this more medium-sized skillet. I believe those were $30 on sale for 2. Next one is the bigger skillet, and it comes with a lid. This is the Green Life Chef's Essentials saute pan. and it is bigger, like I said. Go ahead and pull it out. Okay, here's this one. So there's just 3 right there. Those were the first 3 that I bought, and I've used one already and I really loved it. So if you don't cook that much, you could probably get away with just having these 3 and then buying like one of the pots. But I cook a lot, so I decided to just go ahead and completely get the whole new set and get rid of the other Teflon coated pans. So I ordered this one from Walmart.com. And they have the blue color, and they have red, and they have it's either gray or black, I believe is the other color. So I got this red set. And it comes with the 7-inch fry pan, the 9.5-inch frying pan, the saucepan with the lid, and that one is 1.2 quarts. And then it comes with a 2.2 quart saucepan with lid, a 2.5 quart skillet with lid, a 5 quart skillet, or a 5 quart stock pot with a lid, and it comes with 4 kitchen utensils, like 2 spatulas and 2 spoons. So it's a 14-piece set. I got this for $80 on Walmart.com. I thought it was a pretty good deal considering these are so much healthier for you. So I'll go ahead and pull them out and show them to you. I'm so excited about this. Anything that, you know, can help our lifestyle to be healthier, I'm all about it. Okay. Here's the smallest skillet. Medium skillet. And I think these are actually the same size as the first set that I bought. No, they're not. Well, 2 of those are, but this one is a little bit smaller than that one. The small pot with the lid, the medium pot with the lid, the larger skillet in the set with the lid, and here is the stock pot with lid. Here are the utensils that it came with. So that is everything for this Green Life unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you learned something. And if you did enjoy this, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Bye.